Okay, don't laugh. Today we're running a 1948 Evinrude Zephyr, opposed 4-cylinder, 5.4 horsepower outboard. This one is all original. I got it from the original owner's son. It was in his garage. He didn't know much about it other than his dad used to use it for fishing. He had no interest in it at all. It sat for years and years and years, and I was more than happy to buy it off of him. It looked like nobody really worked on it in the past. It wasn't all boogered up, so I just had to clean the tank out, clean the carburetor, which was an absolutely bizarre carburetor. I had to make a couple little gaskets and stuff like that for it, but that was not a big deal. And then I had to get some special short spark plugs, because there's 2 here on this side and 2 here. If you remove this cover with this screw and this screw, the whole front cover comes off. And when you put it back on, if you use regular length spark plugs, the electrode touches the cowling. So I had to get some original short ones, the right heat range. And then we ran it. It ran in the tank, and I was quite impressed with it, so I figured let's try it on the boat. So that's what we're doing now. Let's go for a ride. So it's got a stop tang under there. Let's see, we got a high-speed jet here. We have a low-speed jet there. We got a primer, and I didn't have any clue how to start this thing, so I literally just read the directions. And when it's warm, I press it 3 times today, put it in start, put this over to cold start, pull the cord and start a first pull. Then you put it to run, and then when I'm done, I'm going to put it to shut off and I'll run it dry. And there's also a fuel shut off for the tank here. All right, so I'm pretty sure, it's been a while since I worked on this one, I'm pretty sure when you turn it to off. I think it shuts off the vent for the tank. There's like a little tiny pipe that goes over here, and it shuts off the vent. Kind of bizarre design, but the whole thing is bizarre, and I kind of like it. So still got to dial it in a little bit. Maybe you heard when I was running at speed, had a couple little hiccups. So I don't know if that's some dirt that I missed in the fuel system or an ignition miss. I'll get to the bottom of that. But so far I'm happy with it. See the original green details on the emblem? It's kind of neat. I never saw that. All right, so don't laugh at them. Give it a try. Okay, this one I checked the compression. It was all even, so I figured it'll run, and it does. So if you find with good compression, just go through the ignition, the fuel system, and enjoy it. Run if you got them.